Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Tribonet. My name is Manoj. Today in this video, let us learn about types of lubrication systems. A lubrication system is a mechanism designed to supply a controlled and precise amount of lubricant to specific machine components at the right time during operation. Its purpose is to minimize friction and wear, thereby improving the machine reliability and lifespan. Although lubrication costs account for only about 3% of the plant's total maintenance budget, lubrication-related issues can represent up to 40% of the total maintenance expenses. Proper lubrication practices are therefore essential for optimum reliability and cost efficiency. What are the key factors for effective lubrication? The right lubricant. Selecting the correct type of lubricant for each application is crucial. The choice depends on four main operational factors, that is, the speed, which is higher speeds require lower viscosity lubricants; ambience, that is, the environmental conditions like dust, moisture, etc. influence the lubricant choice; load, that is, heavy loads requires the high film strength lubricants; temperature, lubricant viscosity and stability must match the operating temperature; right quantity, the amount of lubricant supplied must be optimal. Too little lubricant causes increased friction and wear. Too much lubricant raises the temperature and pressure, reducing the bearing efficiency and life. Automatic system ensure only the measured quantity of the lubricant each lubrication point, preventing waste and lowering the cost. The right time. Lubricant should be delivered at precisely timed intervals to maintain a continuous protective film. Delayed and or improper relubrication can lead to metal-to-metal contact and premature failure. Right point. Lubricant must reach the specific friction or wear point to be effective. Incorrect distribution renders the lubrication ineffective and may cause a localized damage. What are the types of lubrication systems? Oil lubrication system. It is also known as the loss lubrication system. It uses the oil or liquid grease to create a thin protective film on a moving parts. The oil is replenished periodically through an automatic lubrication system with an electric oil pump. The common subtypes are single line system of 33 volt system. Application is general machinery, conveyors and gear driven system. The second one is the splash lubrication system. It is commonly used in small 4-stroke petrol engines. The lubricating oil collects in an oil sump and a dipper attached to the connecting rod splashes the oil onto the moving parts like a cylinder walls and bearings. The process repeats once like per crankshaft revolution. The advantages are the simple design, no external pump required. Application is small engines, lawn mowers and generators. Recirculating oil system. It provides both lubrication and cooling for bearings and gears. An electric pump maintains a constant oil pressure in the main line. The oil flow is measured and regulated, and after use, oil returns to the reservoir for filtration and reuse. The application is large industrial machinery, turbines and compressors. The fourth one is air oil lubrication system. It combines the compressed air and small quantities of the oil to form an air oil mixture. The mixture is delivered directly to lubrication points, offering both cooling and lubrication. The advantages are it reduces oil consumption, provides clean operation and extended bearing life. The application is high-speed spindles, heavy machinery and machine tools. Grease lubrication system. It uses a grease pumps to supply a measured amount of the grease to lubrication points. The common types are dual line system, which are modular and flexible design, suitable for large machines with many lubrication points, and it's developed by manufacturers like SKF. Progressive systems, that is ideal for small to medium sized machines requiring continuous lubrication. Lubrication continues as long as the pump is running. When stopped, piston ends in the metering device hold their position until it's restarted. MQL, which is called minimum quantity lubrication system, and near dry machining. It is a modern lubrication technology that minimizes oil usage in machining process, uses a compressed air to deliver a fine aerosol of oil to the cutting zone. MQL covers the various operations such as the sheet metal forming, cutting and blanking. Near the dry machining is more specific to milling, drilling, turning and taping. The advantages are it reduces oil waste and environmental impact, improves the tool life and machining quality. The wet sump lubrication, it is also called as lubrication method, which is an automotive engines, and oil is stored in the engine sump and circulated under pressure, which is typically in 4 to 5 kg per centimeter square, to engine parts via pump or the strainer. After the use, the oil returns to the sump. The advantages of is the simple, reliable and compact design, requires a fewer components. Applications is more standard automobile engines. The dry sump lubrication system, used mainly in the racing and high performance engines. It includes the additional components such as the external oil tank, breather tank, cyclone separator, multi-stage pump. Oil is stored outside the crankcase, improving the engine cooling and lubrication stability under the high speed and tilted conditions. Advantages are it prevents the oil starvation, maintains the consistent pressure, reduces the engine drag. The applications are in the racing cars, aircraft engines and performance vehicles. This is a reference for the information provided in this video. In this video, we try to understand what are lubrication system, what are the key factors for effective lubrication, and what are the types of lubrication systems. In that, we discussed the 8 main types of lubrication systems. Thank you for watching this video. And to get more details on the topics related to tribology, follow us on our social media pages on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Tribonet. Also visit our website on www.tribonet.org.